What's up everybody, Ryan here. Thanks for coming back to the channel. Thanks for checking out this video. This is the $400 digital gift card to TruTech Tools video that was supplied by Chris Stevens from HVACR Videos. I just want to say right off the top, big thanks to Chris. What a generous guy, what a nice guy. I'm very appreciative, and I mean it, thanks a lot. For me to be included in this is huge for me, and I definitely appreciate it. I have noticed an uptick in my subscribers since the video came on, so I want to welcome all the new people that have come to the channel. I see in the comments, I try to respond to every comment. If I don't leave a comment, I definitely give it a thumbs up or a heart, so I appreciate it, and welcome to the channel, guys. I'll be putting out a lot more content this year and trying to grow this channel. So Chris, thank you. And anyone else that's watching out there, if you're not aware of Chris Stevens or who Chris is or his YouTube channel, I took the time to edit together a little compilation video. I'm going to play for you right now, just a taste, because Chris got just a ton of content out there. So there's a wealth of information and entertaining videos you can go check out at Chris Stevens HVACR Videos. I'm going to go ahead and play that now, and after the video I'll tell you what you got to do to be entered into the drawing to win this $400 digital gift card to TruTech Tools.
I'm Chris with HVACR Videos. Hopefully we can get the compressor to reset. It's gonna be a long day. Beer walk-ins right there. So this is their walk-in freezer. Look at that compressor. That is all sand. The whole thing is covered with sand.
Just to be prepared in case any nefarious people come, or bad guys try to come in and take whatever from the restaurant.
I like to pack up some snowballs, so that way I can defend myself in case the bad guys come, So
Just always got to be prepared, guys.
They cut into the insulation of the whole top of the box. So they literally notched out the whole top of the box. Pretty much brought my entire van up onto the roof. We've got a compressor, all the other stuff. I'm sure there'll be a few other things we need.
I don't know why, but I was just thinking of the word puppies. Puppies. Right at the end of that song, I just randomly was thinking about puppies.
This is my new van. It's not completed 100% yet, but it's getting there. This never gets cleaned. Look at that. Dinner. Yum. Nasty stuff. Gotta watch this impeller screen too. It'll get gummed up like it is right now.
I'm just a normal service technician here in Southern California. Run a small business, have a few employees.
What is going on here? Nothing's running. It does have a manual reset on the pressure control. Well, let's pull the cover off. I've got a slight burning smell in this area right here, so let's open this up and see what kind of surprises unlock for us here. Well, that limit switch looks suspect. We don't have a display at all, and we should have a display on that thermostat. 4 powers one side of the thermostat, and N powers the other side of the thermostat. Don't ever trust these switches on walk-in freezers. So this is my tiny little studio here. This is my typical setup right here. All right, this is not how I started. So our next step was to go climb into the restroom and trace out the ductwork. It was a little difficult to do so. This is really interesting. Look at this oil. Yeah, unless the nitrogen's contaminated. I've never seen that before. That's interesting.
So we have some people watching on YouTube, on Facebook. I do have to say thank you to everybody because it's very awesome to have support from you all. It's really, really cool.
This trade can be hard on us as technicians. This trade can be physically demanding. It can break our bones. It can emotionally drag you down, but it can also be rewarding. It can be fulfilling to be able to be the person that people want to come out and fix their equipment. It can be frustrating, but like I said, it can also be rewarding. Because this is the business. This is what we do. This is life. You can be positive about things, or you can be negative about things. What feeds you? What puts food on your table? What fills your bank account? Your customers. I've been doing this for a very long time. Life is too short. There's too much stuff going on to get angry. Let's fix the shit and give them a big bill. Bottom line, right? Don't rip them off, don't cheat them. But let's fix it and get paid for what we do. Get paid for our skills. Anyways, that's it. Just a little rant.
All right, that's it. So thanks, Chris. I really appreciate it, and I enjoyed every minute of going through all those videos and editing that video. Appreciate it, and keep doing what you're doing, man. So I'm gonna make this pretty easy, guys. All you gotta do is watch the video, subscribe to my channel, like the video, and leave a comment on the video. Now, each comment's going to be one entry into winning the $400 digital gift card to TruTech Tools. Not only was it Chris that put up the money for these gift cards, TruTech Tools, Bill Spohn, and his son Billy also put up some money to help this out. If you want to buy good tools from good people, TruTech Tools is where to go. And they have a nice rewards program too. So as you buy things, you'll accumulate points. You can use those points to buy smaller tools or other things. There's a whole rewards program on the website at TruTechTools.com. Bill Spohn and Billy Spohn, I met them both out in Vegas. Nice guys. Here's a little clip of them. This is Bill and Billy. Yeah. The father and son duo. They're the brains behind the operation over there. So, and the brawn. Get those comments in there. I'm going to let the video go for about 2 weeks. I'm thinking January 31st. That's Tuesday, January 31st. I'm going to get my random comment picker. I'm going to have it extract all the comments into the random comment picker. I'm going to hit the button, and it's going to pick a winner. So you got to comment on the video, you got to like the video, and you got to subscribe. It's pretty easy. So leave those comments. Tell me how long you've been in the field, what you liked about the video, what you'd buy with the $400. It doesn't matter. Whatever you want to comment. So not only am I giving away the $400 digital gift card to TruTech Tools from Chris Stevens over at HVACR Videos, I've got a couple of these top tests, leak detectors, gas leak detectors sitting around. I need to give them to somebody. So I'll be picking 3 winners on the 31st, and the second person I picked will get the PT330 combustible gas leak detector from Top Test. It's pretty good. They're pretty cheap. They're a nice thing to have around. I wouldn't quite say they're a pro grade gas leak detector, but they certainly do work. Third place winner will get the PT199 pen style Top Test combustible gas leak detector. Tuesday the 31st, I'll record the random comment picker picking the winner, and I will post that video to my Instagram, and then so everybody can see that that's who it picked, and then I will highlight your comment in the video, and that will be a way for me to notify you too if that you won if you're not on Instagram. Somebody's gonna win it, but hopefully it's you. So guys, good luck. Appreciate you coming back to the channel. I appreciate you watching the video. Hit that like, leave me that comment. Good luck to everybody, and I'm gonna see you on the next one.